Hello, hello. Thank you for being here. Today we're gonna open this box. I have been waiting so long to open this box. I have been recovering for a back surgery, so I haven't been able to do a lot. So, and whoever follows me in social media, thank you for all your messages and support during this time. I know it's been, I haven't been able to do a lot of videos or anything. So again, thank you and I appreciate you. Today we're gonna open this box. Like I said, this is a automatic heat press, so I'm super excited of opening this box, and let's see what is inside. So here's our machine. Right now I have it already set up as a 220 seconds, so it's gonna open soon. This machine, it's so awesome. It comes like how you see it, and it comes with the manual, with instructions. Here we go. It's gonna open. I'm so excited with this machine. You guys don't know how excited I am. This machine, keep in mind, it's really heavy. Like I told you guys, I had a back surgery, so I had to tell my husband to put it here for me and set it up because it was heavy. So keep that in mind. If you have any problems, back problems or anything, you will need help. Of course, my table, it's really high, so it's a little bit harder to put things in here. So like I told you, it comes with the manual, so it will tell you how to change Fahrenheit by, with Celsius. Sorry if you hear a lot of noises. I have a little one here. So as you can see here, the manual will tell you how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. It will tell you seconds, how to change temperature in seconds. It's super easy. I will show you guys right now. But this manual, keep it handy. It's amazing. And it comes with this dial, as you can see. I don't know if you can really notice the it's really dark, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyway, if you go this way, it will change temperature, and then you can move it around. I don't know, let's put it 200 for now. And if you go this way, it will change seconds. If you have it in 30 seconds, I don't know. There we go. Right now it's 206, 207, but it will go down, and I really like it. I'm very excited. This is affordable. It's not like the other machines that they're really expensive right now. These automatic heat presses are really, really expensive. So compared to the other ones, I like it for now. If you want to close your heat press, you just press, let me go up. You press here and it will go down. Oops, sorry, I pressed it twice. There we go. And the machine closes. It's amazing. Amazing. I'm sorry, I'm in love. I'm very excited about this. I have another heat press for this same brand, and I love it. So that's why I was so excited to open this box with you guys, because I can't wait to use it. This is the new thing now, the automatic heat presses. So we're gonna use it with a shirt that I have it already there for my daughter. So this is a perfect excuse. Here we go. It's gonna open again because it finished the 30 seconds. So anyway, this is the perfect excuse to use it. I'm gonna use it with a shirt that I have there in a design that I had there for my daughter. So here we go. Let's do it. I did my shirt. I love it. This image has been in there for a while. I haven't been able to do it, and finally was able to do the shirt for my daughter. I'm so happy with this machine. The temperature got to, like, I put it in 400 Fahrenheit, and it got there in seconds compared to my other one, another heat press that I have, that it takes a little bit longer to get to the temperature. This one got like to the temperature so fast. And also something that I tried, because I did not really care about this shirt, it was only something for me to try. I did something different that I normally don't do. Like, I put, for this kind of shirts, I put 40 seconds in the heat press and it will do it. But in this machine, I put 30 seconds and it did a fantastic job. Like, the pressure on it, it's fantastic. These automatic heat presses are the best, and if you are looking for one, I think this is your one. I'm not gonna lie, I really love it, and my expectations were lower, and it actually this one got all the check marks on. So I love it. I have nothing bad to say. I'm not gonna lie, I have nothing bad to say about it. I really do love this machine. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. So if you're interested in buying it, I think this is your machine. Anyway, if you like this video, please press like, share, and like always, God bless you. Bye. See you in the next video.